In this short tutorial, you will learn how to use the library homepage search box and choose the most appropriate database for your research. A database is a searchable collection of information. Library research databases typically provide access to scholarly journals, magazines, newspapers, ebooks, and other academic sources. On the library homepage, you will see a library search box with some tabs. Let's look at two tabs: Articles ProQuest and Books and Articles EBSCO. Which one should you choose to begin your research? The Articles ProQuest tab searches articles available through ProQuest. If you don't know what ProQuest is, it's a company that provides databases, and all of our subscriptions to their databases is searched in this tab. The Books and Articles EBSCO tab searches EBSCO databases as well as books and other materials owned by the library. Again, if you don't know what EBSCO is, it's a company that provides us with databases, and this tab searches all of their databases that we subscribe to. The number and type of results you will see in each tab will vary depending on your topic, so you might find it helpful to try searching in each tab to begin your research. If you would like to learn more about using these search options, click the Tutorials button on the library homepage and select the tutorials for Article Searching ProQuest and Books and Articles Searching EBSCO. If you need to search additional databases, click on the Databases link on the library homepage. This page lists all of the library's subscription databases. Some databases focus on specific subjects or disciplines. You can use the subject filter to narrow the list and find databases that are most relevant to your area of research. If you already know the name of a database, you can also search by database title. If you need help with your research or navigating the library's databases, librarians are available to assist you through chat and other contact options, and they are very happy to help.